Okay, so this is the most important vocabulary for the Living Environment Regents exam. Let's get started. The first word is homeostasis. Say it after me. Homeostasis. Again, homeostasis. One more time. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is a balanced state in an organism's body. Failure to maintain homeostasis results in disease or death. So, the most important word to remember for homeostasis is balanced. Not too hot, not too cold. Not too fast, not too slow. It's the balance that our body needs in order to stay alive. Our body helps maintain homeostasis by using feedback mechanisms. Say it after me. Feedback mechanisms. Again, feedback mechanisms. One more time. Feedback mechanisms. Feedback mechanisms are cycles in which the product of one reaction causes another to start or stop. Let's look at an example. So there are positive feedback mechanisms and negative feedback mechanisms. Let's look at this example. The body temperature rises, which causes the body to sweat more, and that causes your body temperature to drop. So this causes this, which causes this. Okay, and again, they are used to help maintain homeostasis. The next word is dynamic equilibrium. Say it after me. Dynamic equilibrium. Again, dynamic equilibrium. One more time. Dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is a balanced state created by many small opposing changes. So it's kind of like homeostasis. And again, we have our keyword balanced. We can remember this because we have equal, or almost equal. Okay, so here are 3 different examples that I included. This one, you can just remember equal, it's in the middle. This example, we have energy in from the light equals energy out from the heat. So this is an example of a state of balance because there are 2 changes, but they create an equal state. Likewise, this is a funny cartoon of a man trying to run up an escalator. So there are 2 things happening, but they're almost like opposites, so they create an equal state. The next word is metabolism. Say it after me. Metabolism. Again, metabolism. One more time. Metabolism. Metabolism are all the chemical processes that take place in an organism. So we're going to be talking about the 7 different chemical processes that make up your metabolism. The first one is nutrition. Say it after me. Nutrition. Again, nutrition. One more time. Nutrition. Nutrition are the use of nutrients for growth, synthesis, repair, and energy. Okay? These are nutrients, the vitamins and minerals that are found in healthy food. We use this healthy food to help us grow, to help our cells build things, to repair our cells, and to get energy. The next chemical process that our body does is called cellular respiration. Say it again. Cellular respiration. And again, cellular respiration. One more time, cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process that makes ATP by breaking down carbon-based molecules when there is oxygen. So you have oxygen and sugar or glucose, and those help make carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP. We will talk more about cellular respiration, but for now, just make sure that you know that it creates ATP or energy. The next word is synthesis. Say it after me, synthesis. Again, synthesis. One more time, synthesis. Synthesis is the process of making complex compounds from simple substances. It's like building. Synthesis means to build or to make. The next chemical process is transport. Say it after me, transport. Again, transport. One more time, transport. Transport means to absorb and distribute materials throughout the body or cell. So, transport means to move. So it's the moving around of different materials in your body. Here we have nutrients in, waste out. Okay, that movement is called transport. The next is regulation. Say it after me, regulation. Again, regulation. One more time, regulation. Regulation is the control and coordination of life processes. Okay, and these are, again, life processes. We have homeostasis, nutrition, transport, respiration, synthesis, growth, excretion, regulation, reproduction, and metabolism. So regulation is like control, coordination, organizing of life processes. The next chemical process is called excretion. Say it after me, excretion. Again, excretion. One more time, excretion. Excretion removes waste created by metabolic activities. So removing waste or getting rid of bad things or bad substances. We sometimes don't think of this example, but excretion can also mean excreting carbon dioxide. So you inhale, breathe in oxygen, and you remove carbon dioxide. Next we have sexual reproduction. Say it after me, sexual reproduction. Again, sexual reproduction. One more time, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is when two parents are needed to produce offspring, and the offspring are genetically different. We will talk more about the different kinds of reproduction, but for right now, know that reproduction means to reproduce or to make more. In the case of people, reproduction means to have babies. There's also asexual reproduction. Say it after me, asexual reproduction. Again, asexual reproduction. One more time, asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is when only one parent is needed to produce offspring, and the offspring are identical or exactly the same. So here you have one parent, and it's creating an offspring that is exactly the same or identical. It's is asexual reproduction. All right, so we're going to stop there, and I hope this helped, and I will continue adding more vocabulary.